Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the ERR protocol error in Google Chrome. So let's go quick into the process. This is just a very straightforward tutorial. In the Windows search bar, type Internet Options. That will appear under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Now here in the Internet Properties window, you'll find the General Security Privacy Content Connections Programs and Advanced tab. Click on the Content tab. And here you'll find this option, Clear SSL State. Click on that. The SSL cache was successfully cleared. Click on OK. Click on the Advanced tab. Scroll down. And under Security, you'll find these options, Use SSL 3.0, use TLS 1.0, use TLS 1.1, use TLS 1.2, use TLS 1.3. Make sure to check the boxes corresponding to this, and you have to click on apply, click on OK. And after that, make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.